Hello, I'm Colin Horner, reflecting on my recent live broadcast with Laura, my BNI colleague, where we have a regular live broadcast on the power of storytelling. And we use Aristotle's art of persuasion, pathos, logos, and ethos, to help you improve your presentations and tell your own story. Remember, facts tell and stories sell. And we had a wonderful story to share where recently our BNI Global Power Team colleague, Dirk Hinser, presented to the Global Power Team on the value of his Mindset Change workshop. And Laura and I were able to structure his script around his fish story. I'm Colin with Laura. You can catch the recording of our broadcast at this link. But why don't you join us regularly to learn about how you can improve your presentations and how we can help you do that. I'm Colin Horner, the Digital Doodler. Thank you for listening.